What up, guys? It's Mythologic here, back with another video. So today I will be doing a Tyrannus Baz Pitch cosplay, and as I do it, I will be talking. So if you want to speed it up, you can. It'll mess up the audio, so you could mute it, I guess. Whatever. So I'm using this, which is like Walmart brand. Whatever. And also Walmart brand because that's where I shop the most. I recently got this, and a forewarning, I don't know how to use makeup, so it's gonna be shit. And I'm also using the screen I have in front of me to do my makeup. So let me just find a good picture of Baz to base myself off of before I do anything. It's a really cool series, hard to find though. I won't be messing with my hair at all because it takes forever to put it back up. I'm not doing that. I'm too lazy. Okay, so I need bags and to look paler. I can do that. So I could put my teeth in first, but that'll make it difficult, so I'm going to do this first. This is grease-based, I believe. Oh yes, that's beautiful. Because I know what I'm doing with my life. So it says to, it says to, blot it, but I'm not patient enough for that. So I'm just gonna smear it a little bit. Tell me, do you think this will look good? I don't. So, most people don't know what it is, and if you don't, I will be telling you. Tyrannus Baz Pitch, aka Baz, is a vampire. Oh, spoilers. Well, not really. Yuck. He is a vampire from a book called Carry On, which is by Rainbow Rowell. Originally, it was like a fan parody, kind of, for this other book, which was about the fans. And that was called, I don't remember. Fangirl? Yeah, Fangirl, which was also cool. I'm doing horribly with this already. I can tell. Oh. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I wonder if my lighting is the cause of this, or if not. When doing it, make sure to get your entire face. Don't just I hope this looks great, because if not, then I have to go to the bathroom and redo all of this, and it'll look so weird. Right there. remember, this is all filmed at school. So imagine doing stuff like this at school. Oh, I need to brush my teeth. Also, like, the camera's backwards, so I don't know how to, or where to go. Now, I don't think Baz is this pale, because, like, he's Arabic, or Egyptian. Yeah, Egyptian. Oh, that looks horrible. See, this is why they tell you to sponge it. I don't want to use all of it, so I'm not going to, but it is recommended. Whatever. So back to the kind of review, I guess. So it's like Harry Potter, but a little different. Sorry about this constant moving, but oh, I'm getting it all over the computer. Told you it wouldn't look good. I'm just gonna try and blot it around and make it less whatever. So the thing said to like put some. Let me look at the packet here. If you can read that. Oh. And this one's forward, great. So that's flipped. There are better things you can use. I wouldn't have chosen this one. But whatever. Time for the black crayon. So technically, the thing recommends, I guess, that you should God, I don't know. Did I tell you I don't know how to do makeup? I'm gonna smudge that a little bit. Do I look like a vampire yet? Ow, fuck. Frick. I need to figure out how to bleep stuff. So, if you know how to do good makeup well, this shouldn't be a problem for you. I don't. Kind of be aggressive with it, I guess. I mean, if this doesn't work, I can always do like something else. Joker, maybe. A clown. So the basic plot is that there's this kid who's like the only adopted or the only supposedly non-blood mage named Simon Snow. He's the chosen one. He has like the most magic, and he has more. Will always have more. than anybody should. And there's a humdrum that he has to stop in order to save the world of mages. It could be worse. It's heavier on one eye, but you know what? I don't care. I do care. I'm gonna fix it. It's getting everywhere. My idiot friend's... He's not an idiot. Oh, never mind. He's sleeping anyways. Whatever. He usually bothers me during second. And now it's heavier on the other one. Do I look tired yet? Now there is the option to add red, which is right there. And I don't remember what the purple's for. It's for something. I don't know. Baz is kind of basic, so like this is basically all you need. If you're better with contour, do it. Blah, blah, blah. If you can't get fangs or if you don't have makeup, that's fine. Just don't go outside for like a month. Don't sleep. You'll get the bags that I wasn't good at doing. You know, good things. But if you can't get fangs, don't worry about it too much. Because Baz, his fangs don't always show up, only when he's hungry or whatever. It's a really good book, and I would recommend it, but that doesn't mean anyone would recommend it. So I hope you guys have had fun. I'm going to go hopefully wash this off my face without anybody seeing me, because it's really bad. Like, look at this. It's splotchy. Clothes. If you want a really easy one, you could do him during break and just do like jeans and some kind of fancy looking t-shirt because he's rich. Or you can do his Watford uniform, which would be a white undershirt or a white dress shirt with a green jacket and a red tie. Or you can just do, I'm cleaning up, so no. Or you can just do anything, honestly. It really depends on what you want to do, how you want to do it. Just have fun with things. Have a good day. Bye, guys.